Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the blend door actuator symptoms you need to look out for so as to avoid being taken by surprise. A faulty blend door actuator can make your driving unpleasant and uncomfortable. Some of the blend door actuator symptoms can vary from hearing the ticking of noise from your dashboard when you start the car, or if the heater in your car is blowing cold or the AC is blowing hot. These are little signs that something is wrong with the blend door. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. What is a blend door? A blend door is located in the vehicle's heating and air conditioning system. It is responsible for diverting warm or cool air in different stages in order to keep passengers pleasant in the vehicle. You might need heat when the car is cold or vice versa. The blend door will have to be moved to make sure the temperature is as suitable as desired. If cool air is desired, then the blend door closes so that heat would not be able to come into the vehicle. A blend door uses a mechanical device called an actuator to move. What is a blend door actuator? An actuator is responsible for moving the blend door when the temp is controlled. It is usually powered using a vacuum or a small motor which is mouthed with the assembly, heat and air. A blend actuator has an electronic motor that turns a plastic gear set in different directions. Then at the final drive of the unit, it is connected to an air control pivot door. When it gets faulty, there are two things that could have happened. First, the electric motor is burned, which makes it difficult for the unit to respond when the temperature control is moved. The second one is that the gear becomes hard and breaks easily. The unit makes a constant ticking noise while working. These are the two most common problems with the blend door actuator. Bad blend door actuator symptoms. There are certain symptoms you need to watch out for. If the blend door constantly moves to back and forth, there is every possibility that something is not right. Another symptom is when you keep hearing a repetitive noise behind the glove box where the HVAC is located. This noise will occur when you change your air conditioner's settings or start your car. The noise might sound like knocking or clanking. This is caused when the knob moves towards the control's heat side without giving enough heat. To test this diagnosis, turn on your air conditioner on the street or underground and then increase the temperature to the hottest. If the air is cooler than in the vent position, then the blend door is the problem. However, the problem is with the cooling system if you have to turn the temperature to a cold position. Causes of a bad blend door actuator. As mentioned earlier, a blend door actuator is linked to the air control door and rotates side by side with the electronic motor. If the plastic gear breaks, this might affect the blend door. It will then lead to problems with the vehicle's air conditioner and heater system. There will also be a fault if the electric motor gets burned. When it gets to this stage, nothing will happen again if you move the vent mode or try controlling the temperature. Replacing bad blend door actuator. After you have seen the bad blend door actuator symptoms and you want to replace it yourself, here are the tips follow. 1. Bring out the glove box compartment by removing the bolts that hold it to the passenger side. You should get rid of all the screws holding it up. After doing this, gently pull the cover under the dashboard. You'll be able to see the heater box with all its wiring. 2. Gently remove the wiring safety clip with a screwdriver. These clips can break so easily, so take your time while bringing them out. Pull down the wiring connector and take it away from the actuator. Additionally, you can inspect and clean it if need be. 3. Find the actuator and remove it from its screws. There are usually 2 to 3 screws holding it up. You might have to get a small universal in order to help with these screws, as they are tiny. Once you remove them, keep them for safekeeping. The actuator will come loose after you have removed the screws. Now pull it out. 4. To avoid the new actuator failing, turn the air pivot door manually to ensure it isn't stuck. Move it back and forth to ensure it moves in both directions without hindrance. If it isn't moving, you need to find whatever might obstruct it. 5. You need to compare the new actuator with the old one. They need to match so that they can fit and work perfectly. 6. Proceed to installation. Put back the screw. Once you have done this, you will hear a click, which is a signal that you installed it correctly. 7. Now, reinstall the glove box cover. When you want to install the screw, do not tighten the first one, as it will make the other screw difficult to install. After you have successfully completed this, restart the engine to test what you have done. Move the climate control to make sure the new actuator is working. This video explains some of the bad blend door symptoms you need to look out for in your vehicle and how to repair them if the problem arises. If the tip on repairing it is not clear enough, you might need to take it in for a mechanic to check. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.